Hi, welcome to my crochet tutorial channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do spread pattern with rose flower and leaf. We need three colors for this. I did red for rose, this leaf green, and the bottom part you can use any colors also. Even for the roses also you can mix up colors or any plain colors also. Okay, let us start with chain, 24 chain. I've done 24 chain, 3 chain for next round, skip 3 chain. We are going to make 24 double crochet. We had done 24 double crochet. Now chain 1, next row we'll do 25 single crochet. Okay, 24 single crochet. Again chain 1, we are going to do 25 single crochet. First row 24 double crochet, with the 3 chain we will get the 25 double crochet, then second row 25 single crochet, third row 25 single crochet. Okay, then chain 3 double crochet 1 row, single crochet 2 row, fourth row we are going to do double crochet again, altogether 25 with the chain included. Okay, done, completed double crochet. We are going to change color. We are going to make leaf on this row. Okay, chain 1, four single crochet, okay, 4 single crochet, now we're going to make another single crochet with 4 chain. Okay, this single crochet you see straight here straight, put my needle here, you see, okay, here straight, this part we are going to put the chain here, going to attach the chain here, single crochet, the first row of single crochet. Okay, done. Okay, we are going to make one single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, one triple crochet, then one double crochet, one half double crochet, one single crochet. Okay, finish. We are going to make another 4 chain. We are going to, you can see 2 stitches, 2 hole here, you skip these 2, you are going to attach on this side. Okay, now I am going to make one single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, one triple crochet, one double crochet, one half double crochet, one chain. Okay, we are going to make it one single crochet here. From here we are going here. This one on the right side, this one comes from the right side stitch, this one from the left side stitch. Okay, now we are going to make 13 single crochet. Okay, 13 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, we already skipped 13. Then we are going to make another stitch here, single crochet, 4 chain. Now you can see straight here. We are going to make it in this hole. One single crochet, one double crochet, half double crochet, one double crochet, one triple crochet, okay, one half double crochet, one double crochet, one half double crochet, one single crochet. We are going to make chain 4. Okay, skip 2 stitches. We are going to make it here. This is first row of the single crochet. We are going to attach at the first row of the single crochet. One single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, one triple crochet, one double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Now we are going to attach here 1 single crochet. So now we'll do 4 single crochet on the end part. Okay. Next row we are going to make the flower. Okay, 1 chain, 1 2 3 4. Now we are going to pull over the red. We change the color to red. Okay. Okay. 15 chain. Okay, done 15. We skip 3. We are going to make 3 double crochet in that chain. These are the petals. Okay. So you in 9 stitches we are going to make 3 double crochet. In 9 chains, Okay, in 9 stitches we had done 3 double crochet. We got 3 chain here, so we are going to make it 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, same stitch. Okay, done. We roll it over. On the top part I'm going to slip stitch. Okay, then I'm going to do 3 chains. Then I'm going to make another single crochet here. In between the leaf. See, like this. Okay, now we change the color. We are going to make single crochet 13. Okay, change color. single crochet, okay, 9 chain, 9 for the petal, altogether is 15. We skip 3, okay, 9 chain with 3 double crochet. Okay, we slip stitch here in the same stitch. Now okay, change the color. Four single crochet, going to hide the yarn here. Okay, done. Okay, done. So this you can see completed the roses here. Another one you can put in the middle, then you can put 2 here, 1 here, like this. See, I increase the chain here, so I did bigger a bit. I did 4 flowers, then in the middle 3, like that. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you.